Brand loyalty. Brand loyalty is a powerful force in the world of business. It's more than just repeat purchases. It signifies a deep-seated preference for a specific brand, driven by positive experiences and emotional connections. Understanding brand loyalty. Definition. Brand loyalty is the consistent preference of consumers to purchase products or services from a particular brand, even when competitors offer similar or cheaper alternatives. Beyond repeat purchases. While repeat purchases are a component of loyalty, true brand loyalty involves an emotional attachment and a willingness to advocate for the brand. A valuable asset. Loyal customers are highly valuable to businesses, as they contribute to consistent revenue, reduced marketing costs, and positive word of mouth. Key drivers of brand loyalty. Exceptional product, service quality. Reliable and consistent quality is the foundation of brand loyalty. Positive customer experiences. Seamless and enjoyable interactions at every touchpoint, from purchase to customer support. Emotional connection. Creating a sense of community, shared values, or emotional resonance with customers. Personalized experiences. Tailoring products, services, and communications to individual customer needs and preferences. Rewards and loyalty programs. Incentivizing repeat purchases and rewarding loyal customers with exclusive benefits. Trust and transparency. Building credibility through honest communication and ethical business practices. Excellent customer service. Providing prompt, helpful, and empathetic support when needed. Brand values and purpose. Customers are increasingly drawn to brands that align with their personal values and contribute to a greater good. Benefits of brand loyalty. Increased customer lifetime value, CLV. Loyal customers spend more over the course of their relationship with the brand. Reduced marketing costs. Retaining existing customers is significantly cheaper than acquiring new ones. Positive word of mouth marketing. Loyal customers become brand advocates, spreading positive recommendations. Higher profit margins. Loyal customers are often less price sensitive, allowing for premium pricing. Competitive advantage. Strong brand loyalty creates a barrier to entry for competitors. Increased sales and revenue. Repeat purchases and referrals directly contribute to sales growth. Resilience during crises. Loyal customers are more likely to support the brand during challenging times. Building brand loyalty. Focus on customer satisfaction. Prioritize delivering exceptional customer experiences at every interaction. Build a strong brand community. Create opportunities for customers to connect with each other and the brand. Engage with customers on social media. Foster meaningful interactions and build relationships with customers online. Solicit and act on customer feedback. Show customers that their opinions are valued and used to improve the brand. Maintain consistency. Ensure that the brand's messaging, products, and services are consistent across all channels. Show appreciation. Recognize and reward loyal customers for their continued support.